what you're trying to ask is, why am I so insistent upon giving out to them that blackness, that black power, that black culture? My job is to somehow make them curious enough or persuade them by hook or crook to get more aware of themselves and where they came from and what they are into and what is already there, and just to bring it out.
Alright guys, so in this video I'll be covering how to set up your own email addresses from your new website. So you have a little bit more of a professional presentation when you're reaching out to people. You'll have an email address that you can create yourself. So the first thing you're going to do, and again I know I've gone on and on about HostGator. I'm using HostGator for these videos, but I'll be using HostGator's methods or HostGator's tools to create these email addresses. So that's just a heads up. First, what you want to do is log into your HostGator account. I've already gone ahead and done that. And once you log in, it'll take you to your dashboard. And this is what the dashboard looks like here. And what you want to do is roll on down over here to the control panel and click on where you see email accounts. So once you click on that, that will take you to this page right here. And once you get to this page, what you want to do is you want to, right here, you want to type in the name for this email address. For this particular one, I'm gonna this will be for the website, so this will be a contact@allofusclothing.com email address. But you want to put in the name at the drop down, whatever website or domain you want to choose. I have several, so I've already went ahead and selected this one for this video. But you're going to go ahead and create some passwords here, and you have a couple of options. So mailbox quota, you could put 500 MB megabytes. Personally, for the purpose of this email address, I'm going to put unlimited, just because it can get you know, a bit out of sight, out of mind if you're not kind of watching the email address closely. Things can kind of pile up and then you won't be able to get email addresses. So if it's something where you think you're going to get a lot of responses or a lot of emails, I would just click the unlimited. Either way, once you get done, you want to go ahead and click create account. Alright, so that email account has been created. Now another option, now as far as the mail courier, you can use a variety of options. For general business, I like to use Outlook, but for this purpose I'm going to show you guys how to attach this email you just created to a Gmail account. That way you can get the emails through your Gmail, you can respond via your Gmail account as well. So what you want to do is log into your Gmail, Google Mail account. I've already done that here. And once you get here, what you want to do is roll on over to settings, right here in the top right hand corner. Click that and scroll on down. Where is the, see all settings. Click that up top. Alright, so once you get to this page here in settings, what you want to do is click on accounts and import. And then you want to go down here to add a mail account. I'm going to open up a little pop-up window. Alright, so for this particular email address, we won't be able to use the Gmailify tool that they have. This is going to be a POP3. So I'm going to select this option, import emails from my other account, POP3, click next. And then right here you want to enter the username. The username is going to be the entire email address. So for here is contact@allofusclothing.com. And then I want to go ahead and enter the password. Alright, mail. For the POP server, you want to put mail.allofusclothing.com. You want pretty much you want to put mail dot whatever the domain name is in this area right here. So whatever your website is, mail dot and the rest of the website. I am going to select this option here. I do like this option just for the simple fact This will allow you to label the incoming emails from the website different from, you know, the other emails that are in your Gmail account. So I'll put
turning off y'all extras, turning off this bullshit direction, turning up my grind, waking up to more pressure, but it's all in your mind.
Alright,
So
so
I
I'm
never
going to
feel
click
pressure.
add account.
Know it's all in due time. Now honey stacking like Tetris. Hustle hard is my message. Then double back and get extras.
Alright.
Fast when I catch it. Yellow bone, white legs.
Alright, so now we can retrieve emails from that account. And we also want to be able to send emails as well. So when you get an email from a client or a customer, you want to be able to respond to them. And you don't want that response to come from your Gmail account. So we're going to go ahead and add this email address so we can send emails as well. So what we're going to do is click on next. So we'll go ahead and click next. Enter the name here. We'll click next step.
I talk shit, but she know it's true. Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down, then I followed through. I bought a pound, then we rode the fuel. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Look, I'm in these streets with my Cuban on, and my biz with my music on. Old friends like what you been on. Shit, I've been on my grind. I ain't usually
So,
on. Focused, I ain't using
success.
phones. Lately, I've been using
They've
phones.
emailed
Get my
us
point across, my niggas round me lose it all.
verification or confirmation code. Okay, so if we go back to our inbox where we just set up the inbound emails for this email address, you can go ahead and copy and paste these codes that they sent us.
Look at this world, young nigga, this is really yours. Nigga, this is really mine. My niggas is really for it. Them buildings is really high. The cars is really foreign, and all I see is ocean views. Small circle, it's a chosen few.
And if you want to send, you just click on the drop down
I bought a pound, and we rode the fuel.
in the from section, in the from field rather. You just click on the name and you can actually select the name or the email address to send out from. So that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much how you get everything set up and ready to go. But you can also set up a webmail exchange as well. So I mean, you know, a few different options you have here. Either way, I hope these videos have been able to help you guys out, and at least now you'll be able to start some email campaigns for the new business. Hey guys, thanks for watching. When you get a chance, please check out our website. We have some pretty cool stuff.